09:36 in the morning, and we're on our way to London, to precise to the Ghanaian embassy to restore my missing passport. So follow us through and I'll update you guys. Peace out. So that's decent, mate. Yeah. A black one as well. People are really going out for these holidays. London,
It's just one road.
one road, yeah.
Long.
So we just stopped, taking a break before we continue our journey back to London. The services are for the moment. Alright. Yeah, I'm saying. Hey fam, welcome back to this channel. Today on this episode of Life as a Soldier, I'm bringing you guys with me to London to sort my missing passport out. It's been a year that I handed my passport over to one of our staffs in the army, but they came back later to me that they can't find my passport, which is embarrassing. So today I will take you guys along with me to London and sort out all this. So stick with me and I'll update you. So guys, we're going back onto the road. It's so dark in here. On the motorway. So it's a bit sunny today, but let's just hope so, because the weather in UK is so that it could just literally change in a second. So I'm just being hopeful that it's going to stay like this throughout the day. I think the whole of January I was a duty driver, and I had a lot of London drive. Oh man, London drive. It's so horrible. Like 20 miles per hour, 30 miles per hour, 15. Oh man, it's so hard. Yeah, I did a room inside. Nothing better to go on. I did a waiting room. So there no way the solicitor come inside, say make a come in office. Come in office, he tries to sort me out, he draft everything. Nicely, perfectly, stamp and we assign. Where we take attach everything. But they are just the place everything will come through, then Charlie, I go get my passport where lost back. So I just hope so. No easy. So here I am, basically done with my passport application. Submitted, done my pictures, biometric and whatever that was needed. So it's about time to get back home. See you guys in a bit. Living a dream. I'm done. I'm so glad I was able to do it today. Man, yeah. I thought I'll be doing a back and forth kind of thing with them. Yeah. But we got a lawyer over there that she squared me away straight away. Right. Yeah. Yes. I would have gone and come back. Yeah, so I had to pay her some money so that she can do that. Yeah, man. So I'm just waiting, fingers crossed, that probably I get it within 2 weeks or a week. But on the paper, the 29th of this month, which is literally 3 weeks and some days.
Not long, though.
Yeah.
Yeah,
happy. I'm happy. Oh, all right. I'm happy. Looks like a hen coop. And look at the look at the price. 4 million, mate. Are they joking? That's the one main reason I don't want to live in London. Because the money you are paying for, it's not the actual building you are getting.
Too bad, 8 million.
That money is going to get you a mansion outside of London. Oh. Woo. It's shit.
Big money.
Big money. I'm not living anywhere in London. A month?
Oh shit.
More than 2 grand.
That's not fucking...
Nearly 3 grand, mate. That's bad. Hungry. Stop and getting something to eat. Got flame grilling, we've got Subway as well, and we've got KFC. hope you all enjoyed the video. I was very tired yesterday, so I couldn't close the vlog. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next video.